Hey guys, it's Courtney again from the Moccamaster USA Consumer Relations team. In this video, we're going to answer the question, why is my Moccamaster taking such a long time to brew? A healthy Moccamaster should take about 6 minutes to brew a pot of coffee. If your Moccamaster is taking substantially longer than that, that's usually a sign that there's a problem. If it's taking longer than 6 minutes and you have not been descaling your brewer, you can either check out our previous videos more about descaling or look at the support center for more in-depth information about how to descale your Moccamaster and which products we recommend. If in addition to an increased brewing time, your Moccamaster is also steaming or sputtering, this can usually be the result of a blockage within your machine. That can be from a lemon seed, a coffee bean, or sometimes it can be because you're pouring a powder descaler directly into your brewer without diluting it in water first. Whatever the reason, your brewer will need to be inspected and repaired at the Moccamaster Service Center. To do this, you're going to need to reach out to the Moccamaster Consumer Relations team. We'd be more than happy to help you. Please use the contact information below so we can help arrange a repair for you. Thank you so much. See you next time.